Hello my learners, welcome back again on our visual lesson, still on mathematics. And we started with what? Number. We looked at counting what? Counting by ones what? Forward and what? Backwards. Today we are going to look at what? Counting, skip counting by what? Twos. Skip counting by twos. So we start from our 2, skip counting. So from the 2 to 4. So we have 2, 4, skip counting 6, 8, 10. Skip counting. So from 10 we go to where? 12, not 11. Because you are skip counting by how many? 2s, not 1. When it was 1, it was 0, 1, 2, 3. But this one, skip counting by what? 2s. So from the 0, you skip 1. You skip this one, so you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then continue 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good. So now we have it here. We have our 0. Let's keep counting. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 and what? 10. So you write down your what? Answers, which becomes 2, 4, 6, 8 and what? 10. Good. Let's continue also. We have skip counting by what? 2 what? Forward. 2 forward. So this is how it also goes. We have the 10. You move 2. And this way, so your answers will be 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and what? 22. This keep counting. You can still count what? Backwards. You can still count backwards. If we have a 0 from here, 0 here, can count backwards. We have our 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You continue 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So in all our countings, we can count forward and what? Backwards. But we can count by ones, and we can also count what? By twos. And we can also count by 5. That is if you know your 5 times what? Table. And also we can also count forward and back by what? 10. But today we are only looking at counting or skip counting by what? Twos, what? Forward and what? Backward. So let's look at this chart over here. All right, I have my 0 here, and I have 4 here. I have 4. I have my 4, and I have 8. I have 12. I have 16, 20. And continue 24. Then 28. Good. All right. So let's look at it. We have 0 and 4. Skip counting by what? 2s. So what do you think will be here? We have 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Then we have what? 30. If you should continue, you will have 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Continue 42, 44, 46, 48, and what? 50. Continue in that what? Order. In that order. We continue in that order. Alright, so alright, so we said you skip counting by 2s, and you can also skip counting what? Backwards. Let's look at some example here. Alright, skip counting backwards. Skip counting backwards. We have what? 50, 48, 46. Good. For you to know what is here, 48, 50, 48, 46. So what will be here? 44. And if you fill up to here, you realize that you have to start counting what? Backwards. Let's look here. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So we have our 50 over here. So 48, 46. We have 44, 42, 40, 38. So when you fill the blank spaces and you start to count, you realize you will start from here. Alright, let's look at number 1. We have 32 and 30 here. So you can see that we are to start counting what? Backwards. So we start from the back here, which is 10. So what will be here? 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you fill what? The spaces what? Backwards. All what is needed for you to understand is that in counting, we can count what? Forward and what? Backwards. Once what? Forward or once backwards. And again, you can count 2's what? Forward and 2's what? Backwards. Alright, so this is the end of our lesson for today. Till we meet again. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.